Hello, my name is Lizzie Johnson, and I worked as the designer on the Lost Librarian, the interactive installation for Libraries Unlimited, funded by Arts Council England. To begin, I'd like to tell you a bit about my background. I studied stop motion animation at the University of the West of England in Bristol, and it was through that course that I went on to get work experience with the creative robotics company Rusty Squid, which in turn led me to meeting and working with other companies housed in the same studio called Puppet Place, which is also based in Bristol. Whilst working at Puppet Place, I began moving away from animation and onto large-scale puppet commissions, as well as set building and prop making. My most recent projects have included interactive timeline of Ray Castle, an oversized board game called Silk Stockings and Social Ladders, and of course, the Lost Librarian installation. Which brings me here, talking to you about designing for playful engagement, which put simply means creating artworks that give permission to audiences, no matter what age, to play and be curious and hopefully engage them with the art or installation in a memorable and joyful way. When working on an arts project, I break it down into stages. First is research and development, second is design, then production, then project launch, and finally, evaluation. Through this masterclass, I am focusing on the research and development and design phase of a project. I will give you an insight into the design processes I have used to create my work, and I hope to give you some tools that you can use to go on and begin to design playful and engaging artworks of your own.